First video in the new shop, right? Fixing this fucking flex pipe. I think it broke right here. You might kind of see. Because this dude's fucking dog bone came off, so I already fucking welded it. You know, welds aren't that great, but gonna chop it off here, line it up and all that stuff. So now we got everything cut up, old flex pipe cut out, kind of trimmed it to length of that one. Basically how we're gonna do is we're gonna tack it to the flange, put it back on the car, put the cap back in the car, mock this up, and then tack it all together, and then take back out, and then lay some beads. So.
Your money, you bitch, repossessing your whip. TTB the new IRS. Just the other day I was dreaming and shit, living life seems so far-fetched. Don't fuck with me now if you ain't before 22. I know it's a catch. Come correct, buddy, best be to be nice. Keep promises, fuck your little threats. Just got a new Draco. My partner was letting it go for the low like that. Set a nigga up like a flying spider web. Put that boy up in the net. Bitch, it won't be no wedding. You here for aesthetic. I treat her like pillow pets. I get them lit like old Apple commercial. Old 5 silhouettes. Bet, bet, bet. Whipping the whip, driving with grip. Day 6, no sip, no pop, no venom. Got too many women, Pete Miller, no limits. Lean to the left, lean to the right. Throw your hood up, then you then slide. Make it big, come back, donate. Put foot on less fortunate place. Don't do it for the clout, no way. Just show I appreciate. Taking your money, you bitch, repossessing your whip. TTB the new IRS. Just the other day I was dreaming and shit, living life seems so far-fetched. Don't fuck with me now if you ain't before 22. I know it's a catch. Come correct, buddy, best be to be nice. Keep promises, fuck your little threats. Can't see what's in it. 40 windows, whole house hidden. Bando renting, empty, vacant. I'm a trapped out tenant, camera perimeter, fully surrounded. I know my exterior, try to follow me back. Saw the rear view mirror, but my HP superior. Try to downplay me, I ain't hearing you. 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 Yeah, yeah.
So my excuse for these shitty welds, because I've done it before.
It's gonna break them down and no one's gonna see them, so it doesn't really matter.
Yeah, as long as it seals, it should. Yeah. So I already did this, and they came out pretty good. All right.
Should I give her a couple reps?
If you want to, cold.